Now we are going to study about the classification of nanomaterials. Based on dimension, nanomaterials are classified into three. System confined in one dimension or quasi 2D system, system confined in two dimension or quasi 1D system, system confined in three dimension. In system confined in one dimension, any one dimension will be the nanoscale range. Nanoscale range extends from 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. In the case of system confined in two dimension or quasi 1D system, any two dimensions are in the nanoscale range. In the case of system confined in three dimension, all dimension will be in the nanoscale range. Example of system confined in 1D is quantum well. Example of system confined in 2D is quantum wire. An example of system confined in 3D is quantum dot. Quantum well, quantum wire, and quantum dot. In the case of system confined in one dimension, electrons are free to move only in two directions. Or in other words, confinement occurs only in one dimension. Confinement means restricting the motion of the electron in a space with dimension of their de Broglie wavelength. In the case of system confined in two dimensions, electrons are free to move only in one direction, or in other words, confinement occurs in two dimensions. In the case of system confined in three dimensions, electrons are not free to move in all directions. Electron is confined in 3D space. Quantum well. Quantum well is made by placing thin sheet of semiconducting material of thickness 10 nanometer in between two semiconducting sheet of large band gap. So this is how we prepare a quantum well, a semiconducting material of thickness 10 nanometer which is placed between semiconducting sheet of large band gap. In quantum well, the exciton, which is nothing but a bound pair of electron and hole, they can move freely within the plane of the layer, but are restricted to move in the perpendicular direction. Quantum well, as we have discussed earlier, is a one-dimensional quantum confinement structure, and excitons are free to move in two dimensions. Application of quantum well includes they are used for making semiconductor laser, LED, and solar cell. Quantum bias. Quantum bias is made by reducing the three-dimensional bulk material into one-dimensional nanostructure. Quantum wires are used to make electron waveguide because its electrical resistance is negligibly small. Quantum wire is considered as two-dimensional quantum confinement structure, and excitons are free to move in one dimension. Application of quantum wire, it is used for making switchable high-speed laser. Quantum dot. Quantum dot is prepared by reducing three-dimensional bulk material into nanoscale in all the three dimensions. Quantum dot consists of few atoms, but it behaves like a single atom with discrete energy level. Energy gap increases with decrease in size of the quantum dot. Therefore, quantum dot can emit any color from blue to red depending on their size. Hence, quantum dot can be treated as a three-dimensional quantum confinement structure, and excitons are not free to move. Summarizing, we studied about the different types of nanomaterial. System confined in one dimension or quasi 2D system. Then system confined in two dimension or quasi 1D system, and system confined in three dimension. Quantum well, quantum wire, and quantum dot. Now quantum well is prepared by sandwiching a material, example gallium arsenide, between two layers of another material having broader band gap, example aluminum arsenide. Quantum wire is prepared by direct chemical synthesis. whereas quantum dot is prepared by colloidal synthesis. Example of quantum well: nanofilm, nanocoating, and nanolayer. Example of quantum wire: nanotube, nanorod, nanowire. Example of quantum dot: fullerene. Uses of quantum well: it is used in diode laser and infrared detectors. Quantum wire is used as interconnect nanoscale device, biomolecular sensor, and photon waveguide. Uses of quantum dot laser, quantum computer, and quantum dot solar cell.